Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're making something super yummy. Placki Ziemniaczane. Say that with me. Placki Ziemniaczane. It means potato pancakes, but these aren't your ordinary potato pancakes. These are crispy, golden bites of pure deliciousness. Every family in Poland has their own special way of making these. Some thin and crispy, others thick and fluffy. No matter how you make them, they're amazing. Just imagine you're in a cozy kitchen. The smell of potato pancakes fills the air. Golden brown and crispy, they're almost calling your name. Alright chefs, before we start cooking, let's get our ingredients together. This is a crucial step to ensure everything goes smoothly once we start cooking. Don't worry, it's just a few simple things, and you probably already have most of them. Having everything prepped and ready will make the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. Of course, we need potatoes. They are the star of our dish. About 2 pounds of starchy potatoes. Russet potatoes work great. Their high starch content will give our pancakes a nice texture. 1 big onion will add some sweetness. It balances the flavors perfectly. 2 large eggs will help hold everything together. They act as a binder for our ingredients. 3 tablespoons of regular flour will give the pancakes some shape. It helps to create a nice, cohesive mixture. Salt and pepper as much as you like. Seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors. I like to use freshly ground pepper. It tastes better. Freshly ground pepper has a more vibrant flavor. And lastly, oil for frying. This will help us achieve that perfect golden brown crust. I like canola or vegetable oil. Both have a high smoke point, making them ideal for frying. Now for the fun part, making the batter. This is where the transformation happens, turning simple ingredients into something truly delicious. First, we grate the potatoes and the onion. This step is crucial because it ensures that the flavors meld together perfectly. I like using the big holes on a box grater. It gives the batter a nice texture and makes the pancakes crispy on the outside while staying soft inside. If you have a food processor, you can use that too. It's faster and saves you some elbow grease, especially if you're making a large batch. Next, we need to squeeze out all the extra water from the potatoes and onion. This step is essential because too much moisture can make the batter soggy. This is important, it helps make the pancakes crispy. The less water in the batter, the better the texture of the final product. I use a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth. These materials are perfect for squeezing out every last drop of water. Just put the grated potatoes and onion in the towel and squeeze really hard over a bowl until no more water comes out. You might need to use some muscle here. Now put the squeezed potatoes and onion in a big bowl. Make sure the bowl is large enough to mix all the ingredients comfortably. Add the eggs, flour, salt and pepper. These ingredients will bind everything together and add flavor to the batter. Mix it all up with a wooden spoon until it's all blended together. Make sure there are no lumps and everything is evenly distributed. This will ensure that each pancake is perfect. Time to fry these bad boys. This is where the transformation happens, turning simple ingredients into a delicious treat. Pour about 1/4 inch of oil into a big skillet and put it on medium heat. You want enough oil to allow the pancakes to fry evenly, but not so much that they become greasy. To see if the oil is hot enough, drop a tiny bit of the batter into the oil. If it starts to sizzle right away, you're ready to start frying. If it sizzles and floats to the top, you're good to go. This is a crucial step to ensure your pancakes cook properly and get that perfect crispy texture. Carefully drop spoonfuls of the potato mixture into the hot oil. Don't put too many in at once or they'll be crowded, which can make them soggy instead of crispy. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. Take them out of the pan and put them on paper towels to soak up the extra oil. This step is important to keep them from being too greasy. Serve them hot for the best taste and texture. You can put sour cream or applesauce on top or just eat them plain. Each topping gives a different flavor experience, so feel free to experiment. Smacznego. That means enjoy your meal in Polish. Thanks for joining us and see you next time for another delicious recipe.